Hello everyone, once again welcome to this Mind Service. This is a review customer number 1098. This is the MSI laptop Bravo 15. It's the AMD chipset. The customer requests us to replace the keyboard, which was broken. Some of the keypad doesn't work, so we replaced the new keyboard with the backlight, original ones, and this is after replacing it. And the old ones. So I'll let you know that if you have the notebook or Macbook, you need to replace the keyboard. Feel free to contact us at this Mind Service. I'm gonna say thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.